Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Edge and going straight to Settings. This is where control lives. Click the three-dot menu, choose Settings, then Site Permissions so you can find location controls. Once there, toggle Ask before accessing to require permission prompts from sites. Make sure you understand why. Asking preserves privacy, while allowing saves time on trusted sites. If you want per-site control, you can scroll to the site list now and prepare to edit entries individually. Now you focus on per-site permissions because this is where precision matters. Under Site Permissions, pick Location and review the list, allowed sites, blocked sites, and recent prompts. Click a domain to change it to allow or block depending on trust and need. This prevents unnecessary prompts from approved sites and stops tracking from suspicious ones. If a site isn't listed, add it as an exception by typing the address and selecting the permission. Once done, these settings apply immediately across browsing sessions. Finish by testing and troubleshooting so the change works as expected. Visit a trusted site that requests location and confirm the prompt and result. This verifies the setting. If location is wrong or blocked, make sure Windows location services are enabled and that Edge has permission in OS privacy settings. If problems persist, clear site data or reset permissions for that site to force a fresh prompt. One key tip: restart Edge after changes to ensure all permission caches refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.